What? Are we on? Okay. So I'm totally doing like a vlog here. This is hilarious, actually. It's like my first vlog ever. Really, I just want to show this funny thing to Adrian. Okay, so this is my setup. I've got a computer hooked up here through the wall, but I'm using the power supply to power this little doohickey here, this hard drive. I tricked the Xbox into thinking it's a disk drive, so it's cloning this hard drive onto this hard drive so I can use it, but I can't see. It doesn't tell me how long it's taking. It's working. It said it's working, but it's scary. I feel like I could kill the Xbox. It's really scary. Oh well. I just like how it sounds like a heart dialysis machine because the computer's beeping a lot. Cracks me up. Okay.